Hello everyone. So welcome back to our channel, that is AI Next Generation. So today topic will be related to the stemming in the NLP. Okay. So you already have seen in the previous video that is related to the text pre-processing step, or whether which particular you have to use, how to substitute that particular with the help of regular expression. You have done the text pre-processing step part. Okay. So now the come this what we are just going to use the stemming. Stemming is basically a text normalization part. Okay, so text normalization means you here you can use stemming or you can use lemmatization. Okay, so two type of technique we are going to deal with the natural language processing. Okay, the first we will understand in this video, that is a stemming. Okay, stemming in natural language processing. Okay, so what is stemming? So stemming is basically used for the text normalization. Okay, so why? So stemming is a technique used to extract the base word from the word. Okay, so first of all I will just give you the example. Okay, so you will able to understand more clearly. Suppose you have in one particular sentence you have text, you have words documents. Okay, in this particular one sentence you will be have laughing words. In the second sentence you will have the laughed and laughs. Okay, and laugh. So what the these four particular words, what are the root word or base word for that? That is a laugh. Okay, so this is the root word. Even you, if you take an example of walking, walk, walked. Okay, the root word we walk. Okay, so that's how you have to do for the stemming. Means you want to extract from the words, that is you have to extract the base word from the words. Okay, so this is the main purpose of the stemming. Okay, so even we will see in the practical part how we are going to use this stemming, and how which there are various type of technique to use the stemming. Okay, so usually first of all, usually stemming refer to a crude heuristical process. Okay, that simply means it's chop off the ends of the words. Okay, that is a suffix or the prefix. Okay, it's simply saying that whenever you are using laughing or laugh, it's directly chop off the ing. Here it's chop off the ad. Okay, so this how the stemming works. Okay, so stemming basically, there are three type of stemming we are going to see in NLTK library. That is, one, you will see the Porter streamer. Okay, then after you will see the Lancaster Stemmer, and then after you will see the Snowball Stemmer. Okay, so this all three we will implement in this particular library, in this Google Colab. So you will able to see how we are just doing and how it is working in the case of this all three technique. Okay, so I think hope you understand the basic concept of the stemming. That is the three part. It is clear to you that that is stemming is basically to extract the base word or root word from the words. Okay, so now let's jump to the coding part. Okay, first of all, before starting we have to just load the basically NLTK library. Okay, you can just import NLTK. Okay, that's it. Then after that, what you have to just write, the first technique we are going to use, that is a Porter streamer. Okay, then for the Porter streamer, what you have to just write here, just write from NLTK. You can just see from NLTK dot stem. Okay, so from NLTK dot stem you want Porter streamer. Okay, you can just write Porter streamer. Okay, Porter, and then after you can just write streamer. Okay, you can just run this thing. I hope so it will run. Okay, then after that just make the object of this particular method. Okay, how you can just do, you can just write ps equal to Porter, then after streamer. Okay, just make the object of that. That's it. Then after that you want to see how they are just Porter streamer is behaving. Already we have seen the example in the slides where I have shown you about the laughing, laugh and laugh. So we will use this particular Porter streamer so that to extract the base for from that particular words. Okay, then how you will do, just write Porter ps, already you have written. Okay, from ps dot stem, just call this particular method and just pass which particular thing you want to do. Okay, okay, so first of all, if I'm just doing for the walking, already we have seen for the laughing, then you can just show for the how walking it is. See, this is the root word. Okay, so you are just getting the root word from this particular walking. Okay, so if I'm just saying basically, if ps dot stem, I'm just saying laughing. Okay, I'm just not laughing, we can just consider with the walk. Okay, I'm saying walked. Okay, like random I'm just taking. Okay, see here it is also, it's giving the roots word. Then after, if you are going for just writing walks. Okay, this what you are just writing. So I think it's clear, you are just getting the root word from this particular Porter streamer. You are using the Porter streamer technique of that particular stemming in NLTK library, and then from here you are just getting the root word from this particular words. Okay, So I think it is clear to you about the how the protest streamer you are going to use. Okay, the first we are going to use, that is the protest streamer. Okay, then after that you are going to use about this. Then second thing is the Lancaster streamer. Okay, so then after for Lancaster streamer, you can just import directly. Okay, you can just import. You can already we have just imported there. Even you can just import there from nltk.stem. Okay, import Lancaster Lancaster streamer. Okay, just import this one and make the object of that. I'm just writing Lancaster ls. Okay, just write and let's see. And then after that, just run for that which particular streamer you are going to use. Okay, so Lancaster streamer is quite really give us somewhat more accuracy. I will just make another video. In that I will just explain you what is the problem you are going to face in this particular stemming, that is the over stemming and the under stemming. Okay, so here in this video you are only concentrating about the stemming and how on which particular three type of stemming you have to implement that particular. Okay, that is the really basic concept. And we have seen for the protest streamer, then you are going for the Lancaster streamer. Okay, so Lancaster streamer you can just write the same thing. Okay, even you are just going for the walking also, you are just seeing for the walking. So see, okay, I have just given the, okay. Okay, and then after if you are going to the stemming of the walk. Okay, so I'm just showing you, it will just everyone will give the same, the walk the walk and then so on. Okay, so again why we are not using, so Potter steamer is really famous as compared to the Lancaster steamer. Okay, but there is also some drawback of stemming that we are going to see in after this video, or after the completion of this three technique. Okay, so you are clear with the Potter streamer, you are clear with the Lancaster streamer, how to import and how to you can use this particular steaming technique. Okay, the last one is the Snowball steamer. Okay, so Snowball steamer is really an advanced version of Lancaster steamer. Okay, so they have first discovered the Potter streamer, and it is, and then after that then gave move to the Lancaster steamer, the someone they have just discovered Lancaster steamer, and then after they just go for the Snowball, that is the advanced version of the Lancaster steamer. Okay, and the third thing is that why I have explained you in the theory part, that is simply chop off the last word. Okay, that is the ing or ed. Okay, suffix of or prefix. Okay, then after for the importing the Snowball, you can just write the same. Okay, why I'm just writing a scale. Okay, you can just write from nltk dot steam import what you are going to import. You are going to import only Snowball. Okay, Snowball, that's it, Snowball streamer. Then just make the object of that Snowball, and then after you are going to see, first of all run this library whether it is giving me error or not. Yeah, it's fine. Then after what you are going to do, you're making the object of that. Okay, that's it. It's like the same thing what you are going to use. You can, it depends upon you which particular type of technique you are going to use. Okay, so I've just why it is giving me some mistake. We are going to see Lancaster Stable, Snowball Stable. Okay. The why you have just getting this error, because whenever you are just running this one, okay, you have to. I already have said that it is the advanced version of Lancaster streamer. Okay, so how you are going to use? You have to just call this particular Lancaster streamer. This particular Lancaster streamer you have to call. Then after that, what you have to write which particular thing you want to go. Okay, and even one thing you can just try. Okay, you can just try you can just try with the Snowball. First try with the Snowball, and here just keep the one parameter that only for the English I'm going to use. Okay, so Snowball is really advanced version of the Lancaster and the Porter. So here you have to specify the take one parameter whether you are going to stemming this particular word, is it related to the English, or it is related to the French, or it is related to the other language. Okay, you have to specify which particular language you want to going for the stemming. Okay, whether if you are choosing the English, okay, so you can just write the English word. If you are choosing the French, then you have to write the French word. Okay, you can just write the English. I'm going for the English. Okay, now it will not give. Then after you can just write the same, every concept is like same. Okay, and just write the walking. Okay, see. Okay, so it, and then after walk also you can just see, I have just given the similar example, so you are able to see. I have to pass here, no, you can just pass walked. Okay, so see, it will give you walk. Okay, so I don't think so you have problem, so you are able to see that every three technique they have used, but you will say why we are going for snowball, that is advanced version. So there are some cases, okay. So in the next video we will see what was the problem of related to the stemming, okay. The problem that has related to the stemming, and how there was two type of problem you will face in the stemming, that is the under stemming and over stemming, okay. So I will explain you this concept in the next video, and here the main concept was to explain how what is stemming and how these three technique you are going to use in this particular Google Colab. And I think you are very clear with this, okay. So protest streamer is widely used. If you are going for the protest streamer, yeah, you can just go, but I will explain you why we are even not using the stemming, okay, in some cases, and for that we are going for the lemmatization, okay. So there are various things we are going to see in this series. I hope so you like this video. Please subscribe our channel if you like this video. Thank you.